what herbicide can I use to kill poison ivy under my white pine trees without harming the tree? This is Delbert from Hyco, West Virginia. So you know a little something about West Virginia.
Good poison ivy in West Virginia. I completely agree.
Good poison ivy there.
Yeah.
All right. So how can we help Delbert out here, huh?
Yeah. So there are multiple herbicide options for poison ivy. And poison ivy can be a challenging one to kill. Let's be honest, right? It could be, small, but we could literally have like large vines,
I've seen those.
on trees. So there, glyphosate is an option. Sometimes may take multiple applications.
It will.
There are other herbicide options that may not be. So I think that where he's going with the question is the trunk and tree safety.
The trunk and tree, right? It's what he's thinking about here. So this is what I would do. Okay, so the glyphosate will work. Triclopyr is something else that you can work for brush, right? I would carefully, of course I'm going to have on gloves, long sleeve shirt, pants, and all those good things. I would paint.
Paint and not spray it.
And not spray.
Yeah.
Right. Paint or wipe.
Yeah.
And not spray. Something else you could do too now, if you want to grab it with some gloves or whatever, kind of pull it away from the tree a little bit, cut it, right? And then I would paint or wipe, right?
Yeah.
That green tissue. Turgor pressure, of course, would pull it down into the root system. I'd knock it out that way.
Yeah, and we're really getting two benefits. One is that we don't have the risk of overspray that could impact the tree, age and all of those, elements will come into play. But we're probably going to more effectively kill the poison ivy as well with that method.
And that's what we're looking to do. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.